Venice. Very nice. Right. Double tap the back of the screen so I can see myself. I didn't even realize the building looked like that. Hopefully this gives you an idea as to how the audio quality from the Osmo Action sounds as well. Now I'm inside these things. Never used one, never found, never knew what it was. Record. Ah! So I'm walking next to a really busy road. I'm going to see how the microphone handles my voice alongside all of the cars. Bam! All the cars. I've got it set to 4K, but I've got the stabilization set to max, so the Rocksteady Stabilization that DJI offers. It only works with 4K 16:9, doesn't work with 4K 4:3. So hopefully between me talking and everything else, you'll have an idea as to how everything stacks up. Okay, bye. This is HDR on, and this is HDR off. Well, it looks pretty similar from where I'm walking.